Hello dear friends, hope all is well. Today I am here with a new update in Kuwait for vehicles registration renewal. The Ministry of Interior MOI has introduced vehicle registration renewal online service through the government application, Sahil, which will start from 2nd January 2024. The aim of this service is to simplify the vehicle renewal process. It is very simple 6 steps process that will eliminate the need for visits to insurance company offices or the keeping of a paper ownership booklet called Vehicle Registration Book. First of all, you have to install a Kuwait official application Sahil in your mobile if you do not have it, and register yourself in the application and then log into the application. By follow these few steps on Sahil application, you can renew the registration of your vehicle. Step number 1 is purchase of insurance policies. The owner of the vehicle can purchase the insurance policies online through Sahil application. Log in the application, then you need to enter your vehicle ownership information. The insurance amount can be paid through the application for 1 or 2 years. Please subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends if they need. Step number 2 is approval and code confirmation. After the payment of insurance amount, you will get the approval for registration and you will receive a special code confirming the validity of vehicle insurance policy for further process. Step number 3 is required technical inspection. After get the approval, the owners of the vehicle has to visit the technical inspection department in his governorate or authorized company, where the owner has to present the insurance policy number. The vehicle undergoes scrutiny to ensure it complies with security, durability, and safety standards during the inspection. Step number 4 is, once the technical inspection will successfully complete, the General Traffic Department system will utilize to conclude the necessary procedures to complete the process, and the owner of the vehicle will be notified through a text message sent via the Sahil application for the completion of the procedure. Please subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends if they need. Step number 5. Online payment of inspection. After the completion of technical inspection, the owner will have to pay the online fees to Kuwaiti dinars, along with an additional fees 5 Kuwaiti dinars for the stamp. Step number 6. After completion of the payment, the owner of the vehicle can choose to receive either a traditional paper logbook vehicle registration book or access a digital registration paper on Sahil application. Both are officially approved and acceptable. For any further inquiry, you can ask the question for more details.